Well, hey there guys, thanks for hanging out with us. Thanks for making this fun summer craft with us. We hope that you really have a lot of fun. So to get started, to make our little Patriotic Ice Pop, he's gonna look like this, and he's gonna be something that's gonna make you really want a popsicle when you're done, we hope. But we're gonna make this guy, and we're gonna get started by using our blue first. So to do this, we're going to crisscross the top, and you can see that there is a cross right there, so there's overlap, and you're gonna bend down and around that frame edge. And now you're gonna take the other one and do the same thing, down and around. So now you've got a circle. Well, that's not a circle, but that's okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stretch it out into like a long popsicle-y shape. But the thing about these popsicles is that they are wider at the bottom and thinner at the top, like a rocket, as their name would suggest. So we are gonna bend it like this. And then you just kind of have to see, you can use the template a little bit, it might help you here to get a nice shape going. And it'll take just a second, probably, to get the shape that you want, because it'll be right on one side and not on the other, and then right on one side and not on the other. But it's okay. It'll be a lot of fun, and it'll be so cute in the end. So take your time with it and shape until you're happy with it. That looks pretty good to me. Oh, he jumped a little bit, didn't he? All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect onto the bottom with this red. And to do that, we're gonna connect in the middle by bending over and around the bottom frame edge. And then we're gonna take it all the way up to the top, okay? And when we get to the top, we're gonna bend down and around and over. And then we are going to start wrapping around the top. And to do that, you're gonna probably have to go under and over, and then do that on the other side of the brace, go around and over, until we can get to the edge to where it's gonna go across horizontally here. Might need to do it one more time, because we want to cover the blue, because this is the top part and it's red. So once you do that, you can start going across. So I've gone across and I'm gonna wrap around. And then we're just gonna stop right there. So the top should be covered in red, okay? Just like that. So we just wrapped basically the blue up to make the little tip of our little popsicle, yeah. And you can always squish it if you don't like it. Mine came a little weird, it's all right. All right, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this little stick. So to do that, we are gonna go around again, basically where you tied in with that red. We're gonna go around the bottom and make it land in the center. So if you need to crisscross it a couple of times around the bottom, you can do that to where it lands nice and centered. And then I'm gonna come up like this and twist it in. And this is probably gonna be a little bit long, which is okay. Popsicle sticks aren't that long, so all we have to do is twist it back up and simply twist like a twist tie again. So you're just twisting it around itself, and now you have a stick. Nice. All right, now let's start at the bottom and fill that blue part in, because the bottom is blue, so we're gonna start on the side, wrap around to secure it in like we did up top, and then we're just gonna go across, and we're gonna bend across the edge and make sure you're not distorting your shape. Squish in place and continue around. Bend, turn, and pinch. And you're just gonna keep going up, up, up until you run out, okay? Now, from here, we're gonna do our white. So the white's gonna kind of pick up where that blue left off, and we're just gonna wrap over the edge of the frame, around, and then just continue your way up, and we're just filling it in, keeping it nice and tight. If you run out, when you run out, you're going to connect them by overlapping and twisting around like so, and now you have one piece again. And if your connection goes over the frame, be careful not to squeeze too hard. You don't want to be really rough with your pipe cleaners, because otherwise that doesn't work well. So just keep wrapping up nice and tight lines together until you get to the end. And now we are gonna finish it all off with this red. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna wrap into the frame like this, and we're gonna twist. You want to make sure it's nice and tight. And the cool thing about this is you're going to have a little extra to fill in anything that you kind of missed at the top. And when you get to the top, honestly, you just kind of push it into there. Like if you want to bend it and try to weave it in, that's fine, but you don't really have to because it'll stay. And there you go. You have your cute little patriotic ice pop. We hope you guys had fun creating this little ice pop with us. We hope it reminds you of summer. Thanks for doing something new this summer and this fun little pipe cleaner craft. Make sure you show it off to people, show it off to us. Tag us at Ascend Art Co if you can. And as always, happy twisting and happy summer.